Meditation, a mindfulness exercise. Find a comfortable position to sit or lie down, maybe on a chair, your couch, or on the floor. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place. It could be a real memory or a place of your imagination. Notice the sights, sounds, and smells that surround you. Feel the calmness of this environment seeping into your body. Begin gently shifting all of your attention onto your breathing. Taking slower, deeper breaths than you have all day. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly let it out through your mouth. If you can't breathe in through your nose comfortably, then through your mouth is fine. Let's do that 2 more times. Slowly in through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. 1 more time. Bring your awareness to your body. Wiggle your toes, clench and release your fists. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Acknowledge any aches or pains, but don't dwell on them. Simply observe them with a sense of neutrality and appreciation that you have this beautiful gift of sensing your body. Let's take 3 slow but deep breaths in through our nose and out through our mouth, making sure that the exhale is longer than the inhale. Now continue to breathe such that you're comfortable, but where your exhales are longer than your inhales. Feel your lungs inhale and exhale, and your belly rise and fall with each breath. Notice the sensations of your breath as the air enters and leaves your body. Notice any parts of your body that might be tight or filled with tension, and give them permission to relax. Send these parts of your body love and thank them for taking great care of you. Tell them it's okay to relax now. If your mind wanders off, that's okay. Maybe thoughts, memories, or emotions come up, and that's perfectly normal and expected. Don't try to resist or fight them. Just gently bring your attention back to your breath. Notice the sounds around you, both near and far. Notice the sensations of your body, such as the pressure of your body against the ground or the feeling of your breath on your skin. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more centered and relaxed. Let go of any worries or anxieties that might be holding you back. Imagine yourself sinking just a tiny bit into your chair or whatever surface you're on gently. There's no need to strive for anything. Simply be. Allow yourself to exist in this moment of peace and serenity. Savor this feeling of inner calm. Let it fill you from the inside out. If you have any thoughts or feelings, simply observe them without judgment and let them flow past you, like the leaves flowing down a river, or like clouds slowly drifting across a vast blue sky. Allow your thoughts and feelings to come and go as they please. Don't try to change or suppress your thoughts and feelings. Simply be present with them without judging them or having an opinion about them. If you find yourself getting caught up in your thoughts, gently bring your attention back to your breath. The goal isn't to empty our mind, but to observe without judgment. Keep breathing. Each time you bring your attention back to your breath, it's like a bicep curl for your brain. Over time, your brain becomes stronger, more calm, and better able to concentrate and relax. So be patient and loving with yourself. Enjoy this gift you're giving yourself. The gift of giving your mind and body a well-deserved break to recharge and relax. It takes time and practice to learn to meditate. And there's no right or wrong way to meditate. Just focus on your breath, don't judge or resist these thoughts, and bring your attention back to your breath. Continue meditating for as long as you like, while focusing on your breath now with each inhale and exhale. When you're ready to finish, slowly open your eyes and take a few deep breaths. So how do you feel now? Maybe you had a lot of thoughts and emotions surface. That's completely normal. The goal again is not to have an empty mind, but to notice where our awareness is and to bring it back to our breath. Remember, this powerful activity is strengthening your attention muscles so that you can focus on what you want instead of what you don't want. Try this again anytime, or find a meditation app or YouTube video to help guide you until you're comfortable meditating without support.